Hi. In every programming language, there is that comment thing where you describe to yourself or some programmers later, 6 months, 6 years from that moment, what you are trying to say. Well, HTML is not programming language, but still it does have comments. The same thing with CSS. So remember, when we are dealing with HTML comments, you can make them like this. And now when you put something in between these middle lines, it will just comment. When you save page, there will be absolutely nothing on page, but comment will be behind. See, okay, let's go to CSS. Can we use the same thing? No. For example, if you type comment, HTML comment inside of your CSS, will that somehow influence your HTML page? Let's see. Well, it will. So don't use HTML comments inside of CSS and reverse. Check this out. To define comment into CSS, you need to use a little bit different approach. // star and in between your comment. Now when you save and refresh your page, nothing will happen, but the comment will be there. If you clicked on my style, see, there you go. So let's try to import CSS comment into HTML. What's gonna be? We will got undesired results. So don't interchange, don't mix HTML and CSS comments. As you can see, you can find this way of commenting into many programming languages, and for example also / and hashtag they are really common. It's like there is convention between authors of programming languages, even in long period of time, to use something that is similar to a lot of people. So you will find these things overall in every programming language, mostly. Now but there is that line and multi-line comments. Sometimes you cannot use in some programming languages same things for lines and multi-lines. In CSS you actually can use those things. For example, one line, blah blah blah, something not important, and last line. So there will be no difference. Now the CSS will look a little bit messy now, but that's fine. So what's my advice? Well, don't use too much of commenting, just a little bit to describe, because general rule is that you're not writing something like Anna Karenina, okay? This is programming and coding, so it's not writing some big lover poet work or something. I don't know what's the term in English for that. So keep it simple, like they say, keep it simple and stupid, because everything which is simple is fast, is easily to detect. You can grab a sense from just a couple of lines of comment, and if there is a lot of commenting, that means that maybe approach is a little bit weird. Maybe that thing need to be separated into a couple of spaces, couple of files or something. I'm not just talking about HTML and CSS, but about other programming languages. So don't use it too much, use it with reason. I really don't see a lot of reasons to have piles and piles of HTML and CSS comments, but that's just me. Some people like to, for some reason, to type a lot of comments, maybe much more than actual source code, but it's not on me to judge that, so Anyway, so this was really short tutorial. Now you can know how to make one line and multi-line comments in CSS. Remember, don't mix them, don't interchange them, just HTML for HTML, CSS for CSS. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorials.